Alright, and today we're going to be doing That's not bad, it is. No. Mm-mm. It's super bad, guys. So, I'm gonna finish that one. I'm gonna finish the other. Last one. I'm gonna try to suck all the... It just got to me. It just got. Never thought in a million years things would change. Tied to my heart like a tie. You have one new message. They don't. So they know about those girls you set first. There's nowhere to hide now. You ready? Chat. I'll try to suck all of the.
Trying to cover this bruise up. It's a tough one.
Gonna try to suck all the juice. I'm not gonna like eat. Just gonna suck.
See it if I just learned that. Like, Hunter did that to you, didn't he? Why are you crying, Simone? You really think I'll let a man hit me? For real? I can't believe you would play like that. Why are you lying to me? I know you. You're my sister. Yo, I'm about to kill his ass. You are not. No, you are not, Simone. You're not going to do anything because it's not worth it. How could you let someone do that? Your people should know that you don't let it happen.
Oh gosh. This is...
Alright? I'm done with it. Star, where are you going? I'm going to Hunter. That's where I left my hoodie and I need it for next time. Are you out of your damn
Now I'm gonna eat it. See how it tastes.
I'll see you next time.
Taste test. That's good. That's pretty good. I'm gonna try to like cut.
I felt bad about how I came at you at the station.
Well, when you eat it, it's not sour. Here's
You know what?
a trick I do. I flip it over.
What do you want?
Mm.
Oh, it used to beat you down.
Look, and I'll prove to you that I'm actually
And
eating.
I know how scared you were for the babies. I mean, if that monster came at them the way he came at Simone. Get out.
It's a little lemony, like strong, but otherwise good. It was super good. I loved it. So I'm gonna do a taste test for all the other people. Just kidding. I'm actually doing another extra thing. Where? I tried this out. Now, the picture is obvious. This is Harvest centipedes, and they look like this, guys. Hold on, let me get some.